Okay guys, just open your settings application, then select Bluetooth from the left side. Okay, you can see here my Rockets 235 Pro is connected. Just tap on that. Okay, it is just a neckband. Also you can select an offline device. Okay, there is no problems. And I'm now selecting the connected device one. Okay, tap on blue button, select device type. I'm showing the settings only for tutorial purpose. You can set it to hearing aid. Actually, it is a neckband, but you can set it to hearing aid. To I think Apple is sorting devices to get more precious. So uh, there's an option in. I don't know. After changing this, there is no much difference in my hearing experience. So there is a settings. That's guys. And if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replays as video so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share, subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.